Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini long ki khubor bam takasngi. O officer IPS balashong that berkertong ka BJP na North Shillong ba Maria Hom khar korang ne ka siningkong ulah thep kerteng kum ukertong ban yakun ye ki election MLA ar hajar ar pulai bat penpau ye ka jingshong scam ba ka North Shillong kala dei lupa ka constituency jong ka BJP. Ya uni officer pulit IPS berim na sunan ka kurim ki khun bat kinong kershan. Habakran ki kambo ubu Ahmad banne na ka benta ka constituency uba khar krang ula ong ula plet jingmud halor ki south likiman ka puli dangli ka kot ka khya ka yo kam yo jam bat ka jingshong shngaiñ. Ula ong lada kam don hi ka jingshong shngaiñ ka jylla kan om kiew satya ha ka roi ka par. Ngisngos kem ka North Shillong kan ka constituency ka BJP. Bat ngamdan jing artatien ya kata ha ka election baladem ngilarem tang kumbalai spa vote menta ka kenti ngin yo bet ya ka jing job da ka ba don burom ong uba khar kurang ha ba ya kran bar kinong tho khubor ulo ong ba ya ka tiket ka party la ashu halor ka nongrim ba ukhambyang bat ong phenha ban kali ya kitu ki bril ke ba shathir na mar ngam shem la pelut watang shin na yaru ngalayo ya ka tiket kat kum ka kai pot survey bar ki we ki nongrim ba ka party class shim bar ngam shem la pelut shina yaru banyo ya ka tiket uba khar krang ula pen pawru ya ka jing snows camp ba ki pat ba ka constituency kin vote ya ka BJP ka North Shillong ka de ka constituency ka bang haban ong ba shispa person ki briu ki de ki bala nang la stan ki nong shong shnong ki yo lut ya ki aka baro kin sapet ya ka jing tre kam jong ka party ha ki we ki jylla bar khlempem ya ka jing la tre kam jong ukertong bat halor ki ne ki nongrim kin sa shim ya ka rai bat ngati knas kem ba ki babun ki jiet ya ka BJP ula ong Henry ula kentat pat ban kentho ya ka jingla tre kam jong MLA ka constituency ba Adelbert nongrum bat ongam tharai ba kaya hap yanga ban ai jing kentho ya ka ni hi nga e ha ki nong thep vun halor ki jingken no ba ujdon kti ha ka jing siat yap klep ikibriu ha ka por ba udang long pulen o ba khar kurang ula ong manu ru kila ban pinmi ya ki jingken no kakti jong ka an ka don ka yeng ka sheri ka don ban manu ba penmi ya ka ne ka jingken no nga tharai nga haban ong ba ka deitang ka jingkwa pentho bria
pull out but the central leadership in their own wisdom probably they feel that if the party is still there with in the government probably they'll still be able to reign on the government rather than leave the government completely on its own. So in their wisdom of things, I feel that that's why they decided not to withdraw. Almost 300 votes. This time we will win with a stunning majority.
Don't you think so what BJP is a divided house? One of the candidates.
BJP was never a divided house.
Michael Subsidy is out of BJP and is a threat to you.
It's not a threat to me. Sorry. Whoever is a BJP worker, he remains a BJP worker. I've got 3 or 4 main issues. Education, healthcare, employment and security. And all my work will revolve around these 4 main issues. I don't think so it's proper for me to make comments. That is, I leave it to the electorate. The other thing is anyone can make any allegations. The legal system is there in place, the code of laws are there in place. And whoever has made this allegation, I think so, I would say it's stooping too low.